About this item: Heartsuit, keep everything organized. The electronics storage bag has 2 layers nylon interior compartment with enough space to store your cables, USB drive, cell phone, charger, hard drive, mini tablet and other accessories. Keep them organized. Heartsuit provide excellent protection. Well-padded semi-flexible covers offer excellent protection for your electronic accessories. Waterproof nylon surface electronics bags prevent water forcible ripping. Ensure the safety of your electronics items. Heartsuit multi-purpose. The organizer bag is not only can protect for your electronic accessories, the storage bag is also suitable to store pens, pills, and makeup. Best for household and tourism with hand strap, easy to carry, perfect for traveling. Heartsuit large capacity electronics storage tech bag. Dimensions: L 9.64 *W 7.08 *H 3.9, 24.5 x 18 x 10 cm. The electronics organizer have enough room to hold various items like cables, flash disk, power, headphone, mouse, Kindle and other small accessories. Heartsuit premium material. The cable travel organizer bag is made of heavy-duty, durable, and waterproof cationic 300D fabric. Well-padded semi-flexible interior with mesh, dust-proof and detachable Velcro offer excellent protection for your gadgets. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: Heartsuit, keep everything organized. The electronics